Stop wasting money on AI image generators. Nano Banana Pro, the same tool professionals use, is completely free to access, and here's the kicker: no watermark whatsoever. In the next few minutes, I'm showing you exactly 2 platforms where you can unlock this power without spending a dime. Ready? Let's jump into the first platform. First, go to your browser and search for Gemini Flash 2.5. Make sure the image model is set to the one with the banana icon. That's Nano Banana Pro. You can use text to generate images, but for this demo, I'll show you how to use image references because this unlocks even more powerful use cases. Click on the plus icon to upload an image. For this first example, I'll simply say, enhance the image to make it sharper and vibrant, then hit submit. And here's what I got, looking much sharper and brighter. The colors are more vibrant and the overall quality is noticeably better. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, this image has a watermark, but you promised no watermark. Don't worry, I'll show you the second platform in just a moment where you can access Nano Banana Pro completely watermark free. But first, let me show you another powerful use case on this platform. For this example, I'll upload 2 images, a photo of a professional studio and my own image. Then I'll paste in a prompt telling the AI to place me standing in the studio, giving me matching high-waist trousers that fit the scene. And here's the result. I'm perfectly positioned and blending into the background as if I was actually the owner of that studio. This is incredibly useful for creating professional-looking photos without expensive photo shoots. Now, let me show you the second platform. This is where the real magic happens. Once you first sign up, this is how the interface looks. To access this platform, check the video description or pinned comment for the direct link. This AI platform is extremely powerful. It gives you access to multiple AI models like Gemini Flash, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek AI, Grok AI, and many more. You can generate videos here, generate images, enhance prompts, and so much more. Take your time to explore the site. There's incredible value here. For this demo, we'll select the image option. Make sure the image model is set to Nano Banana Pro. There are other image generation models available too, but we'll stick with Nano Banana Pro for today. Next, set your preferred aspect ratio. Since this is for YouTube, I'll go with 16:9. Then, set the quality to either 1K, 2K, or 4K. For this demo, I'll keep it at 1K to keep generation speed fast. Use case 1, image enhancement with close-up. You can generate images using text prompts, but for this tutorial, I'm using image references to show you different practical use cases. I'll upload my first image and paste in a simple prompt. Enhance the image while giving me a closer shot. And here's the image I got. Click on the download icon and select standard quality to download with high resolution. Let me zoom in so you can see the quality clearly. The image is looking much sharper and that whitish haze is completely gone. Even when I zoom in further, the image isn't losing quality at all. Here's the before image, looking whitish and dull. And here's the enhanced image, crisp, clear, and professional. Use case 2, designing YouTube thumbnails. Another powerful use case is designing YouTube thumbnails. Let me show you how easy this is. I'll upload a reference thumbnail as the first upload. This gives the AI a style to work from. Then, I'll upload my own image as the second upload. Next, I'll paste in my prompt telling the model to draw inspiration from the reference thumbnail while using my own image in the design. I'll hit enter on my keyboard to start generating. Just in case you didn't see the start button, remember you can always hit enter to begin generation. Let's hold on a bit while it processes. And here's the thumbnail I got. Very nice, and it maintained my exact image with no unwanted changes. The AI perfectly understood the style I was going for. Now, this thumbnail has too much text for my liking. Instead of regenerating the entire image from scratch, I can simply click on the pencil icon on the image to edit it. I'll paste in my refinement prompt and hit Generate. Let's hold on while it processes. By the way, I also use this same platform to generate the thumbnail you saw for this video. Pretty cool, right? The image is ready, and here's what I got. Make sure to download the image first, because once you click outside the image, you'll lose the edited version. Here's the edited image, looking much better. The text at the bottom of the thumbnail is already gone based on my refinement prompt. The only issue is with the app logo positioning on the thumbnail. I guess the AI slightly misunderstood my prompt, but it's not a problem. I simply took the image to Canva to adjust only the logo part, and I got this final image. This is so beautiful. With Nano Banana Pro, you won't have issues designing thumbnails or enhancing your images. The results speak for themselves. Use case 3. Creative styling. Let me show you one more example. I uploaded my image again and pasted in a prompt telling the model to style me and place me at a party. And I got this beautiful, crisp, clear image. Make sure to always download using standard quality for the best results. Let me show you the image in full screen. This is absolutely beautiful. The lighting, the styling, the details, everything looks professional. Now, here's a secret. The power is in your prompt. The better your prompt, the better your results. Just stay connected to this channel, because in my upcoming tutorials, I'll show you exactly how to write prompts that get you high-quality images for storytelling, African folktales, history documentaries, and any content you create. Use case 4. Thumbnail refinement. I loved this party image so much that I thought this would make a perfect thumbnail. So I selected the pencil icon on the image to edit it. I pasted in my refinement prompt, included specific character positioning details, and hit Generate. And I got this awesome image. The female character is consistent, and I love the way she's holding the banana. It's creative and eye-catching. You can even generate videos on this platform. The possibilities are truly endless. Take your time to thoroughly explore this platform and experiment with different use cases. Look into how to obtain additional free credits if you want to maximize your usage. And if you are interested in accessing even more features and faster generation speeds, you can upgrade to a paid plan. However, the free tier is remarkably generous and more than sufficient for most users. The direct link is in the video description and pinned comment. Make sure you check it out and start creating. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to start creating professional images without watermarks, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials on prompt writing for storytelling, African folktales, and history documentaries. Also, smash that like button if this video added value to your creative journey. And here's a question for you. What will you create first with Nano Banana Pro? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Keep creating.